All right, let's go. 5 minutes to the open. Let's start sorting it out. The sell position, I think we'll probably. I reckon I'll just leave it there. I think that's a good spot. That's a nice area of support there. It's a strong level. But again, if this keeps pushing and pushing and pushing, we've got 5 minutes. So hopefully this candle can stay in this zone. If it keeps on pushing down, I'm going to have to wait and potentially look at entering that manually. And now, because it is keeping on pushing down, this area is starting to look a little bit better. Like that. It's starting to look a little bit better because we're continuing down now. Again, with the UK100, when we go too close to it, we do risk getting faked out. But because we are getting this bearish momentum here, I'm a lot more comfortable entering that zone there for the buy. So I might enter that now. Hopefully it doesn't push up and break that level. Doesn't look like it wants to. Break that level of resistance. Yeah, I'm going to put that buy in position right now. Yep, I'll chuck that in now.
Yep.
My stop loss on that, I'm setting 9093.9.
9093.9. Yeah, cool.
That's how I'm going to put the
stop. So that entry is right on top of that wick too, isn't it?
Yeah. On top of this one here, do you mean? Or which one? Yeah, 9097.1.
Yep. Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah, gotcha.
Cool. Oh, I've got the buy-in. The sell, I'm a little bit hesitant of putting that in just yet because we all know what happens if we enter on that last 30 seconds or minute or so of that candle. 9 times out of 10, we end up getting faked out. So I'm going to hold off on this sell, and I might enter it manually, but we'll wait for the last minute or so and see what it wants to do. If it can retrace from here now, that's beautiful. If it retraces now, that's perfect. I'm happy with that. We might even go to this lower level just to be extra cautious. I think just to give it that room to move.
Nice.
May look at something like that, yeah. Well, I don't mind this level now if it goes up. Depending what it does, man, we're gonna have to wait another minute. Depending on what that candle does.
Oh yeah, my stop loss is gonna be just a little bit bigger on this today, I think.
Yeah, sweet, bro. Yep. Go for it. Do what you got to do, man. Adapt to however you got to adapt. And that goes for everyone, man. Everyone check your spreads. Jump on your if you're on MetaTrader, check what your spreads are and just allow for the spreads, whatever the spreads are. So currently the spreads I've got on the UK100 are 120.
Yep.
So just allow accordingly.
Yeah, mine 164, so just a little bit bigger.
Bit more, yep. All right, this thing wants to move. So we're gonna have to move it again. I hate it when it does this, man. It makes it so much difficult to trade.
Yeah.
You just want it to stay in that little area, consolidate for a little bit. It gives us time to enter everything. Go to this next level. Yeah, we'll stay here. I like this. This isn't too bad. I'll wait for the last minute. If it doesn't keep pushing, I'll enter this as a sell stop. If not, we'll just have to enter it manually. It's going to be too difficult to get it in time, I reckon. Might have to go instant market execution.
Yeah. Fuck, I hate doing that.
So do I. Yeah, so do I, man. I don't like doing that either. All right, 40 seconds. All right, I'm going to enter it 9079.1. I'm entering it. And I'm putting my stop loss at 9082.7. Boom. 9073.2. All right, I've done it. It's up to the trading gods now, mate. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Let's see how we go. Come on. Give us something good today. This morning wasn't great. So, look at that. Come on, don't F with us. 3 seconds, and we're on. We are on. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
We want to fucking pump from here.
Pump, 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 pump. Push, push, push. What are you doing? Reacting off there. That's nice. Break that level. Nope. I really strongly advise anyone who hasn't done it yet, if you guys are going to be consistently trading these opens, I really strongly advise getting a VPS. The VPS will change a lot of your entry and exit points. If you want to be getting the same results as us, 100% trade with a VPS. It can make such a massive difference to your trading. I think, Sam, you've experienced it, haven't you, trading without a VPS and with a VPS?
Oh yeah, it makes a massive difference, man. But you need it to, with this system, you need it to enter quickly. Otherwise, you miss half your trade.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, what's this doing?
What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
Thinking.
It is thinking, man. It's moving a little bit slower than usual. I mean, that's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
That's not a bad thing, because if this opening candle now, this 5-minute candle, can close below that zone, then that's good. It's less likely to get faked out, because
That's for sure.
Yeah, your fake outs will usually happen on the first 5-minute candle.
Yeah, exactly right, man.
Yeah,
but yeah, usually it's a lot quicker than this, isn't it?
a lot quicker, man. A lot quicker. Usually we'd be out by now. We'd be done.
Yeah. Yep.
But that's all right. That's all good. Hopefully it can stay below this level, man, in the next 2 minutes. If it breaks this level and entered us, I'm not going to be happy with that, but we just roll with it. Just roll with it, bro. Roll with it. Are you you're not on Bybit? Are you on Bybit tonight, Nat?
Nah, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm on my other account.
Yeah, sweet. Because what I was going to say, when you with Bybit, for example, if I do 9097, do you have to change that, your entry, because it's different on the Bybit chart?
Yeah, it is. Normally, like it was, top prices are a little bit different. So it's like $1 or $2 difference, I think, especially with gold.
Yeah, so just
But I just moved it to look the way that it should on the chart, really.
Yeah, okay. But then
same thing with most places anyway. Like if you're doing a funded challenge, the same thing will happen. Like you'll have to adjust, but like visually, just to make sure that it's set in the right place.
Yeah.
Because you can get in a bit of trouble there.
Yeah, so for example, if I read out 9097.1 and you're on a different broker and stuff, it might not be that. It might be 9087.1. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly. So my entry at the moment is 9097.97, so it's just a little bit higher than what yours was there.
And that would get you the same entry point. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. If we don't enter this in the next 30 seconds, I'm happy with that. It's not too bad. And then hopefully this next candle we can get a decent push.
Fingers crossed. Like I was looking at gold after after the trade this morning, and it literally did nothing.
Nah, it done nothing today, man. It consolidated, didn't it?
Yeah, the whole day. I hope this doesn't do the same.
Yeah, I know. I know. I haven't checked. I haven't checked any news events or anything, so I'm not too sure
No,
what's going
I
on.
don't either.
To be honest with you, I hardly ever really look at those.
Yeah, I never looked at them either. But a lot of people say you should because it's like gives you a bit of an edge to see, if money's going to be flowing into fucking this or that, whatever. But I don't know. I don't know what it is. I'd rather just see what the charts are doing.
Yeah, same. And I try and read the events from the charts. Like you can tell, a lot of the time you can tell from the candles. Like in the
Yeah,
Tokyo Open, you know how sometimes I'll say the candles are really huge, so there's some manipulation in the market, so we'll make the stop losses bigger. Um,
yeah,
Usually that would be due to a news event.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I personally just read the candles, man. Look what the candles are doing, and just go off that.
Yeah, I like that. I do the same thing.
This is slow today.
Fuck.
What you gonna do? We probably after the close of this candle, if we don't get anything, it might even be worth just calling it a no trade day because we really rely on
Yeah,
volume. We rely on volume, man, to get these moves. And the perfect example was the Tokyo session this morning. There was absolutely
yeah,
zero volume, and we had a double fake out for the first time in fuck, man. I don't even know if we've ever had one since we've been streaming. You know,
yeah.
so
It honestly doesn't look like there's a lot of volume right now. Like usually it would just fucking pump
they'd
within
be
the first
pumping.
like
Yeah.
30 seconds. But
Yeah,
it's um
if we don't get a move, honestly, in the next 3 minutes, if we don't get, and look, we could be completely wrong. We could get offline and close our positions, and then it hits a 5-1. But I'm not willing to take that risk. I think because like I said, we're volume traders. We rely on volume. If we're not going to get anything in the first 10 to 15 minutes, then to me there's not
yeah.
enough volume there,
Nah, I agree.
and we potentially you just take more of a risk in getting faked out. So it's better to just call it a no trade day.
Yeah, I don't mind that.
Yeah.
Don't mind that at all. I'd rather and we always say how much better it is to manage your risk and manage your account is so much more important than having a big win. So
100%,
do that
dude.
consistently. You'll be fine.
Yep, 100%. In the long run, you're fucking 1,000 times better off doing that.
Yeah,
And then what I tend to do is if I call it a no trade day, for example, I'll get off and I'll switch everything off and I won't even look at the charts till tomorrow. I think the hardest thing a lot of people do, and I used to do it as well, is when you get on, you're like, all right, cool, I'm not trading, but then every 5 minutes you're looking at the chart just to see what you could have missed.
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, fuck. Oh, fuck, should I jump back in
Oh, I
now?
could have got that.
Shit, it's moving.
Yeah,
Fuck, maybe I should jump in. Fuck it, I'm jumping in. You know?
it is so dangerous.
Then you take a loss and you're like, shit, I shouldn't have jumped in. I should have just walked away.
Yeah, exactly right.
Yeah.
But put it down and walk away is the best fucking thing you can do in situations like that.
Well, it's out of your control now, isn't it? Like you've made your mind up, you've decided what you're doing, then there's no point in looking at it. You just go, cool, I made
Yeah,
my mind up, fucking done. Unless you got that control, like
yeah,
I've got that self control now where I can look at it and go, oh fuck, I missed that move, spewing. Oh well, whatever. Tomorrow's
yeah,
another day.
yeah,
Where I feel like for the first, man, it depends on who you are as a person, your personality as well. But me personally, I reckon for the first year, probably even longer, man, I was like that. I was like, fuck, I missed the
yeah.
move. Fuck, I should have jumped in. Fuck it, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna send an alert if it crosses here. I'm jumping in again.
Yeah,
Um,
exactly, man. I
Takes
used
a
to do the
lot.
same shit, and it's fucking dangerous. You
Yeah,
can so easily blow up your account.
100%, and it takes a lot to get over that. So then once you do get over it, there's no going back. You know what I mean? Because there's so
Yeah,
much pain and suffering and so much fucking losses and so much lack, loss of sleep and stress and anxiety, and you're like, mate. Now, once you've mastered it, you go, cool. I don't ever want to go back to that again. That's fucking horrible.
no,
I'd rather
yeah,
just shut my computer and come
yeah.
back tomorrow.
That's right, man. That's exactly fucking right. It's hard enough, man. Like live a simple life, trade simply, and then you'll be fine. But if you complicate everything, man, you're just gonna fucking give yourself great headaches.
Yeah, not worth it. All right, boys, I don't think I'm going to trade this. I think I'm going to leave this. We've got 20 seconds. Unless the
Yeah,
next candle opens up and explodes, I'm going to close both those positions off, and I am going to leave it for tonight and just have a no trade day on the London session.
yeah. I reckon I'm gonna do that as well, man.
Yep.
Head to the gym,
Happy
train,
days.
come back again tomorrow.
That's it. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Look, look at that slippage there too. The way that opened, there was a big gap there.
Yeah.
Very volatile. Not worth trading. For me personally, this isn't worth trading. So I'm going to call it. I'm closing those both positions off. Going to call it a no trade down the London session, which is very, very rare to happen, but it's better than getting fucking faked out twice, you know?
Yeah, exactly right.
Cool. All right, guys. We'll jump on tomorrow morning for the Tokyo session.
All right. Catch you all then.
All right, see you then. See ya.
See you guys.
Bye. Sometimes you just got to know when to not trade. You know, you look at it. We're volume traders. We rely on volume. And if there's no volume in the market, then there's no point in us trading. Sometimes I might sit here, depending on the session. In the Tokyo session, I'll wait 30 minutes. In the London session, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. We tend to get a lot more volume during that session. So nothing happening. I call it a no trade day. If it moves now and there was a 5-1 there, so be it. I don't care. I've made up my mind. No trade day. That's it. We come back tomorrow and do it all again.